Is that time for me to look in this virtual mirror, this camera, and share with you what happened last week? Yes, folks, I believe it is important to have goals, but to break those goals down into a series of activities. Those activities then could be tracked, and you could report on them to your friends and family. One of the things that you will see is I set goals and I try to figure out what is going on. You're going to talk about my health goals, the YouTube channels, swag, all of these different things. So let's get into it and see what happened this week. Hopefully you can see that by now. What you see here is we are already in week 10. Folks, we are in week 10 of 2024. How are you doing on your goals? Have you already given up on your goals? One of the important things about having goals and sharing them with the world is you have some accountability. What you will see here, if we scroll over, actually, let's look at it this way. Week 10, you can see we finally got back to our step goal, right? Step goal for the year is, or for the week is 70. We had been down below that for 4 weeks in a row. We finally got back over that. You could see the miles ramping. We did bottom at 0 in week 6. I think that was the week I was sick. And then we're back up to 13. The weight goal, not much happening there. I am trying to eat better. That is definitely my weakness. I snack and like sugar, so I need to get off that. We are looking up to set up buying Vegas, which I am excited about. But nothing has happened yet. We are scheduling appointments with Joe D in Vegas. Golden tickets, we sent out 4 last week for a total of 73. And we sent out, what did we send out? 11 black cards. Shout out Millennial Mike for getting 6 of those. Conference last week, we did 0. But we do have 2 coming up in April. Was on a podcast last week, so thank you for that. Need to be on some more. As for YouTube views, really an interesting week. YouTube views for the main channel, ORAT, did get back over 80,000. However, subscribers was down significantly, only 109. The daily financial news is struggling. The daily financial news had been, pretty consistent over and above 3,000, but really struggling. Daily financial news is a channel that takes the daily live show from 7:30 and publishes it later in the day with some edits and some summaries. The Best of ORAT channel is doing quite well. 2 weeks in a row, we've been over 4,000, with last week being over 5,000. We did change up the template. The thumbnail template, if you go back and look at old videos, had this obnoxious badge, I guess badge. We took that off. We left everything else, and it's performing better. Subscribers, we hit the number at 30, which again is, I guess, our 3rd best week. Again, can you believe we're in week 10 of 2024? Pretty crazy. So book sales, we did 38 book sales, about half of what we did last year or last week. So big drop. 5-star reviews. Again, if you want to write a review on Amazon, I would greatly appreciate it. No reviews. 15 conversations with real estate millionaires. That's still a book that I think is extremely valuable. I wrote it for you. It really is 15 different stories of people being in the business, working, moving forward. Not every story will resonate. It's not supposed to. But my hope is you find 2 or 3 stories that you can hold on to. Because again, the first 5 years suck. It is slow. And I just think those stories are important. We've got Jason Pritchard in there, April Crosley, Jim Ingersoll, and even Meet Kevin, just to name a few, is in there. And then book reviews. I know many of you said you wrote a review for 15 Conversations with Millionaires. Amazon's not updating, so I don't know what's going on there. Don't know what's going on there. As for courses, happy to say that we had 12 people sign up for the free one. 12 people got the spreadsheet. We have 8 people signed up for the free course. We had 3 people sign up for the $50 courses, like buy box, investing, even the Vegas mastermind. Folks, if you want to get a copy of the Vegas event, it is $199. but I will give you a secret coupon. The coupon is ORAT50K, all one word, ORAAT 50K. That will give you $50 off. You can get that great event and the 21 podcasts for $149 by using that coupon. So we sold 3 of those. We did get 4 people to sign up for how to get started one rental at a time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Tell you what, folks, if you want to get the course, how to get started one rental at a time, you could buy it for $399, and I will give you the Vegas event. So if you buy the course, I will get notified. I will go back into your Teachable account and give you a free enrollment. So basically, you buy one, you get the Vegas event for free. So let me know what you think of that. And we are seeing the Facebook group grow. It's now almost 1,850. As for ORAT swag, that is doing quite well. Remember, I have one shirt available. It is cash flow over everything. Black, gray, comes in various colors. It is only available in March. Come April 1st, it will no longer be available. So if you want to get that shirt, please do. You will see my hats and coffee mugs and other things there. But if you want to be a part of ORAT and have something unique, the cash flow over everything shirt will be gone at the end of the month. So a lot of people are picking that up. I didn't get any book selfies or cards in the last week. So again, what is a book selfie? It's where you take a picture of my book wherever you're at and send it to me, tag me on Instagram. And then as far as Amazon referrals, we had our best week. Amazon referrals, almost $20. Yes, folks, on my website, One Rental at a Time, there's a tab that says These Made Me Rich. In that, I give you a series of books and games, even give you some dog treats and stuff that Happy and Sunny like, just to let you know what's important to me, what made a difference in my life. You can click on those, and near as I can tell, Amazon has a cookie or something behind the scenes. And if you buy anything on that in 24 hours, it appears I get some small commission. So somebody clicked on that, actually someone's last week, and I made almost $20. So thank you very much for that. All right, folks, again, it is the 10th week of 2024. Lots of you have talked about getting interested in real estate. The best thing I can tell you is you got to become part of the family. If you want to try it out, there's a $50 course called Buy Box Deep Dive. If you really want to see what I'm about, you see the spreadsheet, see me interacting with folks, buy that. If you really want to be a part of something fun, you could buy the Vegas event. Again, get $50 off with ORAT 50K. If you want to get some great value, buy the course, How to Get Started One Rental at a Time, $399, and I will give you the Vegas event as a bonus. Folks, take care of yourself. Later.